Stock market responded with a sharp increase to the U.S. non-farm payrolls posted on Friday. Weaker than expected employment growth calmed down investors' fears that the U.S. economy is overheated. Besides, investors were convinced that the U.S. Fed is right to stick to ultra-loose monetary policy. In this context, the US dollar index, which measures strength of the US dollar against 6 rival currencies, declined from a 3-week high and closed the week at near 90.13, the level it opened last Monday. No wonder the single European currency benefited from the greenback's weakness. The euro versus the dollar pair regained losses it incurred earlier last week. The euro was hurt by macroeconomic data. Retail sales in the eurozone contracted in April worse than analysts had predicted. Nevertheless, the outlook for the euro-dollar pair remains clearly bullish on the back of the hopes for a rapid economic recovery in Europe. Meanwhile, the EU authorities are pushing ahead with mass vaccination and gradually lifting lockdown measures. President of the European Commission Ursula von der Leyen said on Wednesday that the EU is firmly on the path to its goal of vaccinating 70% of the adult population by the end of July. Market participants are encouraged by upbeat macroeconomic reports from the UK. The construction PMI for May logged the strongest expansion in the construction sector since September 2014. However, fears resurfaced among investors that London could delay reopening of the British economy, which was originally scheduled for June 21st due to a resurgence of the new COVID strain known as Delta. Bitcoin is the only asset which has not been able to take advantage of the US dollar's weakness. The most popular digital token was again trolled by Elon Musk that pushed its value down. Tesla CEO tweeted a meme suggesting that he's fallen out of love with the world's top cryptocurrency. In response to this stunt by Elon Musk, a group of hackers from Anonymous declared war on him. The hackers believed that the high-tech mogul is to blame for wild moves in the Bitcoin's price triggered by his posts on Twitter. Besides, crypto fans claim that it is irresponsible to hurt investments of retail traders. Crude oil appreciated 5% last week. Investors are optimistic about a robust recovery in the global economy. The successful vaccination campaign allows countries around the world to reopen their economies, thus boosting energy demand. BRENT crude rebounded to the zone above $70 a barrel. On Tuesday, the summit of OPEC and its allies gave fresh impetus to oil prices, as all participants of the pact confirmed to ease oil production cuts until July. On top of that, 2 Western diplomats stated that major countries and Iran would hardly settle any agreement in the ongoing round of the talks on relaunching the nuclear deal of 2015. When it comes to the gold market, the precious metal again rebounded off a 2.5-week low. The metal has been widely used as a hedge against inflation. The weaker-than-expected data on the U.S. labor market helped gold win back some of its earlier losses. Nevertheless, the metal closed on Friday with a 0.6% weekly loss. That is the heaviest weekly fall since March. You've watched the combined financial review of currency and commodity markets with me, Anna Kasatkina. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep track of all the latest events together with us on InstaTV. See you back soon.